Hey guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and today is living room zone cleaning day. Are you gonna help me? My kids have kind of trashed the living room, which is to be expected. I have 6 kids, 9 and under, and we homeschool. We live here. We're here a lot, almost all the time. So things get messy quickly, and I got a lot to do. So if you want to see what a real life house, whoops, doing that. What real life house with several children looks like. Quit screaming, it's loud too. Yeah, we're gonna get busy and we're gonna get to cleaning this place up. Hey, Simple Living Mom. So here is a look at my living room before I cleaned it. Kids had drug a whole bunch of their toys in here and just generally made a mess. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about how I do zone cleaning. I do not do everything in a single day. I just don't have time to get to all of the tasks. So you will not see me actually doing every single task in this video. I choose a zone to work on each week, and then most days during that week I will do a few tasks from my zone cleaning list. Now I will have information linked down in the description box below where you can grab one of my free cleaning calendars or just find out how I do zone cleaning. If you're interested. And this is what works for me as a mom of 6 very active, obviously, children who doesn't have a ton of time to clean every single day. Decluttered all of the things that do not need to be in this room, and I put them all in this bin, and the kids are going to get to sort through all of this and put them where they belong. I'm going to move it over into my foyer. I'm helping my mama clean. I have a helper with me. I'm going to move all of this over into my foyer and then get started on the rest of the room. Bin of just baby toys in here, and I'm thinking about doing something else with them because the baby's not really playing with them and they just end up scattered everywhere, so I'm going to move those out of the way too. Another area that collects toys is underneath the couch, so I found some more. And if you really want to be freaked out, get your kids fake bugs. It's very honest. Movies and DVDs fit into this one bin, and the kids have kind of messed them up a little bit. So I'm going to go through and reorganize them and then put them back beside the TV. They're really good audiobooks if your kids like to listen to audiobooks. These are great. Dusting my baseboards. Microfiber cloths are great for dusting because they trap all the dust. This one is probably just from the Dollar Tree or something like that. But it works really well to get all of the dust off of the baseboards. Now I'm getting ready to clean all of the wood surfaces in my living room, and I'm using my favorite method wood cleaning spray in the almond scent. It smells so good. I love using this stuff. To clean the glass surfaces in my living room, and I am using the Method glass cleaner in the mint scent. It also smells really good. Vacuuming time. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Some other things not pictured in this video that I did was vacuum out the couch cushions. I actually cleaned that track between my French doors. And there are some other things that I haven't gotten to today, like cleaning my ceiling fan and doing the bookshelves, which are going to be a huge job by themselves. But that's all for today. Thanks. Talk to y'all later. Bye.